Hello guys, this is Cold Sniper here from XAUUSD, and let's begin our analysis for 2nd August 2023. So if you see today on this is the daily chart of gold. Gold today was pure bearish. Okay, now every retracement was sold into today. Okay, so daily chart, if you'll see, it's right now the price action has shifted from bullish to bearish. Right now it has established a bearish price action, and I will show it to you guys first. Okay, earlier we were making higher highs, higher lows. So for that, if you will see this trend line, I will draw. So this is the trend line which I wanted to show, and we have given a breakdown below this trend line also. So I'll just mark it over here. So on this trend line, if you will observe very closely, yeah, we were forming from here onwards when this breakout happened. Okay, this was due to CPI data coming positive. We gave this breakout over here. All right, and then we were following this trend line. Roughly, you can say we were following this trend line. Okay, uh, as you can see like this. Okay, then we came to again to retest this trend line. We tried to go upwards, but we couldn't break the swing high, which was around like 1985. We gave a downfall. Again we attempted to break that swing high. We couldn't break this swing high also. So right now, and now today it's come down again like this. So slowly the price action has now become bearish. Okay, gold short term trend is bearish, although on the daily charts, I will still say overall it is bullish because of that head and shoulder pattern, but in the short term it has become bearish right now. Now let's move to the 4-hour chart. Now the 4-hour chart will help us to tell where the major supports are. And if you will observe the chart of the gold, okay, the next major support that I see area, okay, is somewhere between 1940 to 1935 area. Okay, I'll just mark it in a very big green box. This entire zone 19, you can say even this I will mark it till 1930 also. Yeah, oh, right over there. Hmm. So this area, if you will see this entire zone, I am expecting to act as a support tomorrow, especially 1935. Uh, is even not just yeah. I will take 1940 to 19. This entire zone I'm expecting to act as some form of a support. Okay, tomorrow. But overall, like I said, on the hourly basis, the trend has become bearish. So if you want to play on the bounce, like you want to take a buy call over here, don't aim very big targets, just 20, 30, 40 pips, that's it. Mainly for tomorrow, market has become sell on rise because the dollar index is rallying. Okay, bond yields have also risen very much. Okay, so this area, like I said, I'm expecting as support. Tomorrow market has become sell on rise, so every rise we will sell. Okay, and I am also expecting this that operator can do some liquidity grabs also over here, because a whole lot of people had gone long somewhere when the CPI data had come out. So whole lot of people stop loss will be somewhere in this area. Okay, there is a possibility operator can grab that liquidity and then move the market up. So if you will see in the past also, when we were making this left shoulder, you will see this long wicks. Okay, this sort of wick, I will show you. So this was basically operator coming and hitting your stop loss and then reversing the market. See all this time how market reversed, how many number of times market has reversed like this. You see here the reversals, after hitting your stop loss is really fast and furious types. Okay, so something of this sort I am expecting tomorrow also. This fall also might come till 1935 zone also, and from here a reversal can come. But like I said, trend will become bullish if we break this previous swing high, which is about 1970. If we start closing above that, then the trend can become bullish. Okay, but right now it is bearish. Okay, now now let's go to the hourly time frame. This we use for intraday. Now before we go to the hourly one, we'll just go through our telegram channel. All right, of all the trades which I gave for today, let's just go through that quickly. So first we'll go through the plan which I said. So here I had told you for today that gold is bullish on hourly basis, and we will follow buy on dips, but we have to see whether gold is able to break and close above major resistances like 75, 80, and 85. Okay, so and also I had written, if gold gives a fall tomorrow, we can again enter on the buy side at the Fibonacci level, which I showed in my video. So if you will see today on the hourly basis, yesterday gold started falling, okay, and gold had come somewhere near like 1960 levels. This was where I gave my buy call. I said buy around like 1962 to 1957. So 58 stop loss 1957 for target 1960 to and for 1962 1965, such targets I had told. Because if you'll see as you can see from previously, if you'll see, the trend was going as bullish. Okay, so I'll just show you. So this was the bullish trend that was going on. Okay, and and if you will see, if I draw the Fibonacci, okay, from this low to this high that we made yesterday, okay, so this 61.8 level was coming around this zone. Okay, I mean over here, like around somewhere in 1960 range. So I was expecting, price would go up from here because this trend is bullish. Okay, but price still gave a breakdown and hit our first trade stop loss. Okay, so that was what happened. After that, if you will see, okay, we were continuously coming down, coming down, coming down. Okay, and in the American session, this fall started happening. Okay, and this one, we correctly caught the 50 pip move, but the sell call which I gave was somewhere around 1951. Okay, and my target was 1945, and the target did come in my second trade. My third trade was a buy call around 1946. Okay, and I had target told it you only 30 to 50 pips, and even that target also came, as you can see over here. But immediately market, that buying was bought off, and operators sold off. Okay, so for tomorrow, based on all this, if you will see right now, gold has established a negative price action. We'll The most likely area where I'm expecting a bounce is somewhere like around 1935. Price should take a bounce, but for gold to become bullish again, we need some some data, or something, some event, something like that, that can change the course. Okay, so far, now tomorrow there is the ADP employment data. If that data turns out favorable, maybe gold can go up from tomorrow itself and dollar index can come down. But right now dollar index is shooting like anything, that's creating the this fall. Okay, that is the main reason for this fall. So for tomorrow, like I said, it's a sell on rise market. We have established a bearish price action also. So we want price to come up so that we can attempt selling. Now, which level we can attempt selling, for that I will tell you. Uh, Give me a second. I'll just draw a Fibonacci, like from top to, if you will see the bottom, we just went like that. Okay, a pullback is, it's all red candles. A pullback is definitely pending over here. Okay, so the pullback level, this is a very strong bearish trend. Okay, so in such a strong bearish trend, the ideal place, okay, for us to sell is somewhere like 1953, anywhere between 1948 to like 1950. 1948, so you can take the resistance levels like 1950, 1955, 1960. All these resistance levels you can attempt selling. Okay, because overall the trend is bearish. Okay, and even the dollar index is not supporting. So for further breakdown till 1935, okay, I'm expecting price to take some sort of a halt or some buying to come around this level. But only an event or some news factor can right now change this trend. All right, so tomorrow, like I said, we'll do our planning will be sell on rise. Now let's just see the other currencies, how they are doing. First of all, let's look at the dollar index first. Okay, and if you see, dollar index is rallying right now. Okay, clearly it has given a breakout. Okay, and next resistance I will draw it for you guys. If you'll see, it is somewhere here. So this region, I'll say 102.5 to 102.3. Okay, so this is the next resistance on the dollar index, and clearly, from the looks of it, it looks like it's gonna give a breakout. If it gives a breakout above this, then the next resistance on the dollar index should come somewhere around like over here. That is 103 level, close to 103, we will say. Like 103 to 103.20, we can expect a resistance. So if dollar keeps going like this, then expect it to go till here. And if dollar index keeps on rising like this, then all currencies will fall and gold will fall. It's just a natural consequence. We'll watch at euro USD. Euro USD is definitely on the verge of a breakdown. You can clearly see a price action has been established. Price action in the sense, the price gave a breakdown, it gave a pullback, and it is again going for a breakdown, and I think tomorrow it will give a breakdown and come try to take a support somewhere over here. Okay, so this one right here is the major support, okay, of euro USD. All right, so we'll have to see if current rate it is going. I think it will give a breakdown. Okay, let's look at some other currencies. Let's look at the Japanese yen, USD JPY, and this is like, look at this. Not even a single red candle, all green, green, green candle, and it is going up like anything. Okay, so on the Japanese yen, resistance level, if I will see, price actually is somewhere over here was an there was a resistance somewhere around here. Okay, but that has given a breakout above that, so the next resistance on the Japanese yen will be somewhere over here approximately. I can say it is somewhere around near the resistance area only. Okay, um, yeah, I'll draw make it like this, and the final resistance area is over here somewhere, little bit below. I think will be okay. Yeah, somewhere over here. Yeah. So we can clearly see the Japanese yen is bullish. All right. So all the currency signs are flashing negative for gold. One more currency we'll check, that is the GBP USD. If you'll see, GBP USD has given clear cut breakdown, as you can see over here. So next support is somewhere over this region. So we can expect like the GBP will also go down. That is again favoring dollar only, not gold. So clearly everything is favoring the dollar. So it's better to stay on the bearish side. See, right now it hasn't created much of an effect on the crude. I don't see much of an effect. Crude is still very bullish. Okay. Um, so yeah, that's my conclusion for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's a sell on rise market. Okay, we are expecting a support on 1935 level, and but at the same time I will say that when you're playing on the buy side, play for small targets. Don't aim very big targets. All right, because it's a sell on rise market and selling can come very quick. So buying side, very small targets we will play for. All right, and the more detailed version of my plan I will share it on my Telegram channel. So if you guys want the detailed plan, please do subscribe my Telegram channel. It is given in the link description. Okay, the link is there, you can click and join there. All right, so thank you, and then have a great day then.